When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life you have 1,000 reasons to smile. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a baking supply Daiso haul. So it's just going to be all baking supplies that I got from Daiso. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the first thing that I got from Daiso were these reusable pastry bags that you can put filling inside. So it comes like pastry bags, and it also comes with these tips that you can dispose after using it. These are very affordable. Basically everything at Daiso is $1.50 unless it's like snacks or something like that, and then it's a little bit pricier. So yeah. The next thing I got were these baking papers, which is basically parchment paper. Then I got this little heart-shaped egg baking cookie cutter. I thought it was really cute, just to be able to make eggs with hearts or anything with a heart. Pancakes, eggs, an omelet. I thought about the reason why I got this was because my mom's birthday is coming up, so I thought that this would be a very cute idea to do for breakfast for her birthday. Next, I got this little heart silicone mold. You can do, you can put ice in it, you can do jello, you can bake cupcakes or like mini heart cakes in this, which is something that I think I'm probably going to try. But these maybe for, oh, on here it says ice tray. I wonder if I can bake this. Oh yeah, it says cold and heat resistant temperature. It's below 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm pretty sure if I'm baking something, I'm not gonna go as high as 446 degrees Fahrenheit. So definitely you can use this to make little heart cakes that I'm probably going to do for Valentine's Day or maybe sometime sooner if I'm bored, just to try out. I also got these muffin molds that you can bake muffins in. I was thinking of doing like little mini cakes with these. So we'll see how that goes. And then I got a whisk and a spatula, pink, and it's like an acrylic handle for the both of these, which is really nice and pretty. And the fact that they were only $1.50 was a score. And then I think this is the last final thing. I got these little white paper cups with lids. They had a lot of different types of to-go containers that were really small. And for these, the reason why I got these was to probably, you know, use to melt chocolate melts or something like that if I was to make cake pops. So that looks like that is the end of the Daiso haul. Well, there's one more thing, but it's not baking related, it's more school related, and I got these cute little just folders with little pineapples that come with 2 folders, and I'm probably going to just use it for school. Yep. Okay, that's it. thank you guys so much for watching my video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that way you don't miss out on any fun content, and until next time, keep killing it with love and kindness, and I'll see you later, my warriors. Bye.